Welcome to SHARIFAB. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Jacqueline, another fresh doll. I think this is about my fourth one. Sorry about the glare there. But there she is. And I got her mainly because I love the color of her hair and her face. Her face reminds me of a cousin I have. Her name is Charmaine. So I think I'm going to name her Charmaine. So, the fresh dolls, let's see here, is brought to you by the Positively Perfect. It's for ages 3 and up from the world of EPI. We're fresh. To be fresh is to embrace your look and wear it with confidence. Being an extension of the Positively Perfect doll family, it's my heart's desire that the fresh dolls represent true multicultural beauty and promote self-love in children and adults, because I'm an adult collector. Let's see here. Fresh dolls have beautiful faces, custom skin tones, trendy fashions, and hairstyles with movable joints and more realistic bodies. Fresh girls can do anything. And that's from Dr. Lisa, CEO and founder of World of EPI. So this doll, these are the other dolls in the collection. And I think I only have like the Mia one from this particular drop. But look at her. She's beautiful. She has on a beautiful blue, dark blue, royal blue gown with some printed colors on the top. She comes with the gold shoes and handbag, and this is the deluxe set, so it comes with another everyday style outfit. It's cream colored on the top, and it's got some gold and purple colors. On the bottom is like an asymmetrical cut. And it matches the shoes and purses as well. So basically she comes with 2 outfits. One for going out, fancy, and an everyday outfit. And she comes with some silver earrings in her ear, which I'm going to pop out and put some gold ones in. But for now, let's go ahead and get ready to unbox her. But I also got a fashion pack as well, and it's just a fur coat, faux fur coat, and like a taupey bag and some heels to go with it, because the more shoes the better, you know. I saw this, and it's hard to get fashion packs. They seem to sell out pretty quickly. But we're going to try this on her as well. So let me get her out of the box. Some scissors here. Let's get her out of the box. She has a elastic band around her waist. She has an elastic band holding her hair, and I don't want to cut her hair because that's the reason why I got Charmaine, because she does remind me of my cousin. And let's see, ooh, almost cut her hair. Ooh, all right, and I got her hair in here pretty good. Okay, and then she has one down by her ankles, an elastic band. All right, so she does have a little box here. I got this the order from Walmart.com actually, because it's pretty hard to find her. The only other place I could find her was on eBay. So I think she's maybe a little bit older doll, or I'm not sure. But the dress is made okay. It's not my favorite fabric. I may embellish it some. Who knows? Cut off the end and put some tulle on the end or something, or I don't know. But it does have like a little slit. But she does have some pretty crazy box hair right now, but it's soft. Doesn't feel like there's too much product in it. But her dress does Velcro up the back. And she's nice and curvy. She's beautiful. Let me go ahead and just see if I can put her on the stand there. And if you see that stand, that's something I made. I'm going to do a tutorial on how I made this stand as well. You know, dollar store items. Things you probably have laying around the house. It's just a coaster and a piece of wood. Alright, let's get her outfit out. Alright. Yeah. I don't know what you call this material, but I'm not a fan of it. The top is a little stretchy. I like the top portion of it, but I don't too much care for the skirt portion of it. I just don't like that material. I don't know what it's called, but I don't like it. But the dress is cute. And let me take the shoes off. It's got a lot of ties on the back of this. Let's see. Look, it's got a bunch of ties. Alright, so let me cut these out and get these on her feet. Alright. I'm going to be doing some tutorials, but I got to change my camera view so I can get some wider shots. So I'm going to be doing that soon. But I do want to keep content coming out. And probably I want to say maybe like weekly content coming out. Maybe even 2 videos a week. We'll see. So got all of that out. Now I'm going to open up this fashion pack of the fur coat, and then I'll probably try on her dress a little bit, her daily dress a little bit later. But I want to try the fur coat on with her gown to see what that looks like. And I went over to the actual Walmart yesterday. I was picking up a prescription, and they didn't have any fresh styles. As a matter of fact, they barely had anything. And it's a pretty decent size Walmart, but I was expecting to at least find some fashion packs or something. So, oh, it's a full length. It's a full length coat. It seems to be made fairly well so far, from what I can tell. A little shedding, but that's kind of to be expected. It's a little shedding. Well, maybe a lot of shedding, because it's like kind of floating around right now. And these shoes, actually, she could actually work the shoes with this outfit and purse with this outfit as well. So we'll see. But I want to try this coat on with this formal gown and see what that looks like. Huh, Charmaine? Get you all set up. I think that's what I'm gonna do with all my dolls, because I have so many and I haven't been naming them or anything, but I think I'm gonna name them after my family members. That way I can remember the names of the dolls. Oh yes, I need to comb her hair. Hold on, let me see if I can grab the brush. Yeah, it's pretty long. Let me comb her hair. Brush that down. So, oh yeah, yeah, I love it. Look at that. See that? Okay. Yeah. Not crazy about the fabric of the gown, but you know, maybe I'll steam it or something and it'll lay a little bit flatter. But I love the coat. Oh, she just looks like she's ready to, and it's so soft. And it doesn't go all the way down to, well, on the one side it doesn't seem to go down to her wrist. Well, it's touching it, but you'll still be able to like see purses or jewelry if you put more jewelry on her. Yeah, there's a lot of shedding on the coat, a little bit more than I thought at first. So let me slip her out of this. Don't want to offend anybody, but it's a doll, and I'm gonna show her nude. And she has like some printed on underwear, but it looks I don't know, it kind of looks weird, like she has something on her, but let's see, her knees seem to be like mine with the bending. All right, so finally, I'm glad like the Fresh Dolls don't bend at their ankles. I really, that's the only thing about the Made to Move Barbies. I don't like the ankles, but she's got good articulation. Her head doesn't go up and down, but it moves side to side, but no movement at the wrist, and I'm okay with that as well. I mean, I like the knees where she can be able to sit, and with these dolls they do have like a stretch, almost a split that they can do. So I like the articulation of the Fresh Dolls. I prefer it because I think I'm going to glue a couple of my Made to Move Barbies, their feet and their, maybe do something about that. But I do like that you can, you know, pose them, and I mean they can sit cross-legged, Indian style is what we used to call it. I don't know if that's appropriate anymore to say that, but maybe. No offense, I'm not, if it's not okay. Never know these days. But Charmaine is beautiful. Yeah, not crazy about the fabric. It's the same fabric as the gown, but it's cute. It'll work. I mean, it's an outfit. It fits her. I don't know. She seems like she's smaller than the other ones. I might have to grab one just to see. I like this little purse. It's not hard. It's more of a softer plastic. It's her shoes. Okay. Her purse. All right. And let's see. I was trying to see if I can move it closer to her. But there we are. Don't forget to like. If you like it, share it. If you have any comments, comment. And please subscribe. All right. Have a wonderful day. Live long and prosper. Thanks for watching.